Oh, there you go, people. All ready for the cutting book now. There's my scribe line. Just I need to find the time to get it cut and butt welded in now. Underneath's all cut out as well, so I can get this cut off when I need to get it. I'm doing the cutting butt. There's the corner cap, all painted as well, and also got a bit of rust protection paint underneath here as well. So just cracking on, guys. Starting the brake line soon. Just need to get this issue sorted. This is the inner panel. Got bits of rust there that need to be replaced, so I'll just use this as a template to make another panel, another fresh panel to put back in here. That should be it. But for now, just got to get this cut and butted in. Done the corner now as well. So just need to get cracking. Just got a few other things that are taking priority at the minute, but I need to get to it before this starts rusting. This bare metal. Hopefully at the end of today I'll have it done at some point. Catch up soon. So guys, just mid cut and butt now. Just a little bit of footage, just like what I did with the Golf. So we've got the cut there, the panel that I'm cutting out, and this new panel that I'm welding in. As you can see, I'm just trying to get this top panel to meet and then just tack it in place just like I have here. So I'm just moving along, but as you can see, you have to push in fairly well to get the two top panels to meet and then tack them together. You can see my scribe line is the line that I'm following, and if you try and cut with your blade, your angle grind the blade at an angle like this as opposed to this, you'll get a nicer cut line. That's a tip from our boy Fitzy, Fitzy's Fabrications. Great guy, grandmaster mechanic, what am I talking about? Grandmaster welder, should I say. Absolute brilliant. So yeah, just push there, tack, just keep going along. Patience is the name of the game. Catch up soon.